Today we're taking a look at the bedside commode. Here are all of the pieces laid out. It comes with instructions, of course. I'm going to put this together. This bedside commode came together really quickly. It has really easy clips that you just clip it together, so there's no extra hardware or anything like that. And we have the nice seat on top here, and you can flip it up, and then you can move the bucket here. So we've got the lid on top of the bucket, so I'm going to take that off. And then we have the inside piece. So if you are using this over a toilet, then you're going to just remove this piece right here, put it back on, and then you can put the seat down. And then if you're not using it over a toilet, then you can just put the insert right back in and place it on there and use it that way. And then it does come with a tissue holder right here. And I'm going to zoom in and show you that in just a moment. But this is adjustable, so you can make it taller or shorter. I think I have it on the tallest setting right now, but you can kind of see I'm 5'10" and I'm on my tippy toes. And then it has nice, comfy arm or hand holders right here. So you can put your hands right here. It's very sturdy. And then we do have the back bar here. And you can see the tissue holder up close. So this is just a C-clip. So I've clipped it on there, and then you can put toilet paper, a roll of toilet paper right here. So that's really handy. Or if you don't like that, you can clip this off. You can unclip it. It's hard to do with one hand. So you can see I've taken it off. I've just clipped it right off. And then it has this piece, a C-clip. So I'm going to put that back on. So you can do it either way. It just snaps into place. And when I was first putting it together, I was a little bit confused. So these pieces right here, they come over here and then they end. So they want you to slide them up the piece right here before you attach the feet, the leg down here. So you're going to slide it about halfway up, and then you're going to put the C-clip in here and right here. But it came together really nicely, and then you can see it does have the nice feet on here, and then you can adjust it. So you'll just press this little metal piece in and slide it so you can make it the right height. And when you're putting this together, you want to make sure and put pieces 1, they are actually labeled. So they'll have a 1 on them. You want to put piece 1 there and piece 1 there, so diagonally. And then 2 is on the opposite sides. So this is going to be really convenient for those that are in need and probably those that are aging. And you can see the thickness on the seat here. So this is going to be a pretty comfortable seat. So that's really nice. And you can use this in your home, or if you are taking care of someone, you can definitely, take it to their home and use it. So super nice. I was gifted this by the brand. I hope this video helps.